how to set up an email forwarder in Hostinger account. So let's get started. First, once we are logged into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the Hostinger dashboard will look. Next, you will need to click the Email tab on the left side of the screen. And on this screen, you need to click and enter the mailboxes section corresponding to the domain in which the email account is associated. I have only one domain in my account, vibeskill.io. If you have more than one domain in your Hostinger account, select the domain's mailbox. To set up the email forwarder in Hostinger, here you can see I have two email accounts associated with my domain in Hostinger. You need to select the email account in which you want to set up a forwarder. I want to set up the email forwarder for this email account. To do that, we need to click the three vertical dotted More option. Next, we will need to click the Create Forwarder tab. In this pop-up window, we need to enter the email account to which we want to forward the emails received in our website email account. You can select or deselect this toggle button to save a copy of the forwarded emails in the website email account. Finally, click the Create button. And done, you can see the forwarder email has been set up. Now, when anyone sends an email to this website email account, a copy of it will be forwarded to the email account we added here in the Hostinger email settings. Next, you need to go to the forwarded email account and confirm the activation of the forwarder process. And that's it. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and share this tutorial video if it was helpful. Thank you.